Welcome students in my YouTube channel Har Ghar Pathshala. Today we will discuss about your third poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. And before discussing about this poem, subscribe my channel, share and like. Let's do it. Students, Keeping Quiet is a very beautiful poem written by Pablo Neruda, and in this poem he stresses on the importance of introspection in our life. Students, do you know the meaning of introspection? Introspection means looking inside, whether we are doing right or wrong in our life. We can understand this by doing meditation. And let's start with first stanza. Now we will count to 12. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still for once on the face of the earth. Up to what did the poet says to us? Up to 12 we should keep quiet and do quiet introspection. On the face of earth, where we live on this earth face. And let's not speak in any language. Whatever conversation, whatever happening around due to language, we conversate with each other in different languages, and we should not speak any language for this period while we are doing introspection. Let's stop for a second and not move our arms so much. Why we move our arms? To do different activities. So we should stop our all activities for a while and do quiet introspection. If we do that, then we will able to understand ourselves properly. Next stanza. It would be an exotic moment. Exotic means peculiar, wonderful. It would be an exotic moment. It would be a wonderful moment without rush. Without rush means we are in a hurry doing different works in our life. So we should avoid all the hurries and stop our activities without engines. We are moving here and there with motor vehicles and producing so much pollution in this environment. We would all be together at that moment. While we stop our activities, we would all be together. Means our all senses be together at that time in a sudden strangeness. We will feel some strangeness, some peace of mind if we do introspection or meditation. Then he create an image of fisherman. In the next stanza, fisherman in the cold sea would not harm his. As we know, the present world is very much conscious about proteins, and this protein hungry world is spoiling the fourth principal biological system, which is our fisheries. So the poet says here, we should not harm whales. The fisherman should not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would not look at his hard hands. Even the person who are gathering salt in the sea, in the sea beach, they look their hands. Even they are too much busy and they have not seen their hands, how much injury they have made their hands. Those who prepare green bars, and those is a pronoun here. It is used for politicians and scientists. Those who prepare green bars. Green bars means we are cutting down our forest and making fields for different kind of crops. So wars with gas. Even we are our scientists are making different bombs, atom bomb, hydrogen bomb, bars with fire, and whenever a war took place, then there will be a fire each and everywhere. So victories with no survivor. We might have scored victory while doing so, by fighting such a wars, but there will be no survivors if such wars occurs in our in present scenario, and would put on clean clothes. They stop their wars. They should wear clean clothes. This is suggested by the poet. And walk about with their brothers. Who are brothers here? The whole community, whole human community is called here brothers. In the said doing nothing. They should not do anything for a while, for a moment, up to the toilet. What I want should not be confused. Now the Pablo Neruda clear his concept here by using this line. What I want should not be confused. This question is asked in so many times in your annual examination. The poet advocates total inactivity and death in this poem. So what is the answer? What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. He never advocates total inactivity. He just advocates that we should stop our activity for a while and do quiet introspection or even meditation. Then what will we achieve by doing so? Life is what it is about. Means life is about action. We are here to do our karma, and life is what it is life is what it is about. I want truck with death. Means he never advocates that we should stop our activity and wait for our death. If we were not so single-minded, we are completely single-minded. For what? Because we are trying to earn more and more wealth, more and more money, more and more luxuries, and we never care about us. We never think why God has sent us on this earth. What is the purpose of our life? So, each and everybody in this world is single-minded about what? To earn more and more wealth. And if we were not so single-minded about keeping our lives moving, our life keep moving. We are very much busy in our day-to-day activities, and we don't have any time to understand ourselves. And for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness. And this is the sad. What is the sadness here? It is sad that in our whole lifetime we are not able to understand ourselves, because we are busy earning more and more money, earning more luxuries, more facilities in this world, and that's why we are not able to understand ourselves properly. And this is the sadness here of never understanding ourselves. And if we want to understand ourselves properly, what we should do? We should do introspection. Introspection word is not given in this poem. What? The key message, the central idea of this poem is introspection. He stresses the importance of introspection in our life. And threatening ourselves with death. And every time there is a fear in our mind that we will die one day. And this is the truth of life. Everybody who got birth in this earth, he has to die one day. So there is no doubt about that. Perhaps the earth can teach us. Now he created the image of earth. Perhaps the earth can teach us, as when everything seems dead. When everything seems dead. In the winter season, which has passed recently. In the winter season, every plant's leaves are fallen and the earth looks like a barren wasteland. But in the spring season, everything looks alive because new leaves grown up on the every tree. So he tried to explain us, try to explain his concept through the image of earth. earth teach us in the winter each and everything looks like that, but in the spring season with new leaves it looks alive, later proves to be alive. And last two lines of this poem, now I will count up to 12, means up to 12 he is now doing introspection, and you keep quiet, and you keep quiet, and not confuse this word Q-U-I-E-T and another word Q-U-I-T-E, and that is while we give stress on any action, then we use quiet. Like it is quite difficult to solve this problem, quite difficult, then this word is Q-U-I-T-E. But now in this poem, quiet, Q-U-I-T-E. I have seen I want to rectify myself, Q-U-I-E-T. And I have seen so many times students commit this error, spelling error, while they attempt their paper. So keep it in mind, the right spelling is Q-U-I-E-T. And last line, you will keep quiet and I will go. Now the poet Pablo Neruda go to introspection now. So this is all about this poem, keeping quiet, and in my next video I will solve the exercise of this poem. I once again request you, if you like this video, do hit the like button in the YouTube video, and subscribe my channel, share, and hit on the bell icon so that you can get latest updates about my channel Har Ghar Pathshala. Thanks.